Yep, now you can see this is the entire assembly we're gonna consider into making the manufacturing drawing. Okay, so let's say if you want to create a drawings for this, you can open this one, open that part particularly, don't see this, and now here once you get this part, you can simply run the feature diagnostics. It shows there is no any feature like for the faces. You can activate this shaded with edges, and then if you have the feature works, if it works you can run it on it, otherwise sometimes it won't run. There is no drafts I guess, so let me just even check this option. Sorry, I'll click on next. Okay, it shows only these parts. Okay, so only this much. If you want the patterns, there are no circular patterns and all, right? Yeah, click on green check, only this much has been recognized. Okay, you can directly take this part into NIF, make drawing from here, so insert. So I'm gonna save this as a new file somewhere. Okay, this should be handled. I'll select A2 or A3 format for this. Here you're gonna get all the views, so you can simply drag and drop them. Let's say I want the bottom view, you can drag and drop it, you can have the remaining views. If you don't want isometric view, you can leave it, but I think isometric is needed everywhere to understand which component that is. Okay, if you want to change the display style of it, you can quickly activate that here. Once that is done, you can directly click to annotations and model items, and from here you can select entire models, and this option, that is dimension used for drawing, and the whole wizard and these options, you can just simply click on green check. If it is there, it will give the dimensions, otherwise you need to enter it manually. So let's say in this what and all needed, you can use a smart dimension, define the dimensions. Okay, it is diameter 25, and you can even mention the length like this from here to here. Can use these tabs to place the dimensions, and then angle to 60 degrees. Okay, if you want extra dimensions, you can add up by yourself, and even here this angle is needed. It's 150, the overall length from here to here. Okay, so once you specify everything, you can directly take This I need to account, and whichever the dimension not needed you can delete it. And I need even the top view. This is bottom. This. Even I don't want this way. That doesn't make sense over there. And I need to showcase these things inside. So you have made some cutouts over there. To do that, I need a proper view for that. I think the front view might help. Oh, they are not available over there. Bottom, I'm having it, but still. Okay, to cross check, you can activate this view that is visible hidden, and from there you can see that one, right? And inside you can see these things. If you want, you can have this detailed view of that particular thing. You can go to layout and use the detailed view at this location. Okay, and then you can specify the dimensions for that. And if you want to mention thickness of it, you can have it from here. So let's say I'll just turn on that hidden view. You can get the dimension. It's 2.34. Okay, like this you can create your drawings. So this is one. So I'll save it as handle itself. Okay, this is how you need to create the drawings. So I hope you got it. Sometimes let's make like in this session only I'll just go through one more thing so that you can understand in a better manner again. That drawing is done. So let's say what is pending. Yeah, simple components, I don't think we should go for it. The suspension assembly we should create it separately. Okay, that I'll do later. Think all parts got over here. Okay, we'll take this one into account, this particular small key. I'll open it separately. So here it is giving the entire model. So what I can do here is I need only this part. I'll run the feature works first. There are no 40 faces. I'm gonna just select this face. On it I'll just sketch a rectangle so that I can remove these all the parts which are not needed for me. Extruded cut, reverse through all. Okay, even I don't need this part, this side one, but I need this diameter in reference. It is 5 mm radius, means 10 mm diameter. In this side also I'll do the same. Can use 3D tool also to remove these. At the center I need a circle of diameter 10. Okay. Features, extruded cut, remove it. Okay, fine. I don't think I need to run the feature works for this. Let me just cross check. So it's gonna take entire model into account. I don't want that to be taken into account, so go ahead. So I need to save this one first. I'll save this as small gear. Okay, so A3. I don't know why your lecturer don't want isometric views, but so in the step file you cannot run this model items, as you could see. If I even select this, it will give only whatever the dimensions you have added, not the others. Okay, and in this we need to make some modifications. This is smart dimension. You can define the angle between these two first. Okay, and the other dimensions, like that is inside one, the outside one might be the same, it is different. Okay, and then you should know the dimension which you need to know the pitch circle dimensions and all. You can utilize a sketch, you can use center and drive it outside. Need one more. Okay, I can just turn their references. Let's say I want to make the changes to this. You can activate the layers by using this option lines. Okay, that is active at the bottom. You can select this one. You can change the format. Same thing for this. Okay. Go to annotation and use this. And now you can see these sorry, the placement of the dimension, right? They should be properly placed, right? So for that you need to go to this options and document properties. Inside it we have the diameter. In the dimensions you can change it to these options. Okay, they will be aligned, and later on you can modify the things if you want the dimension should be showcased over there or not, like that. Okay, the changes you can do as per your requirement. Okay, so we need to showcase the thickness. So it's a 5 mm here, you can mention it. So here better way to add the detail view also, that would look better for this. And go to detail view, you can select any of this section, you can have it here. Okay, so if you want to add the dimensions, you can add it here also instead of mentioning over there. If you don't want any dimensions, you can simply select them and delete. And same thing for the placement of dimension, very important. And here if you want to remove these all the stubs, you can simply select this detail view from here. Sorry, not from there, from here double click. Just a minute. Yep, it got updated. Fine, so like this you can create the drawings also. So I'll save this one, and later on you can change the template. Okay, so if you have any doubts you can directly refer me.